Hi Teami community, it's Adi Arizini, and today I'm going to reveal to you our brand new skincare product, of course 100% natural. It's our Teami Renew Vitamin C Eye Cream. My two main goals for this formula was brightening and tightening of the skin. So because I added vitamin C in the forms of L-ascorbic acid and vitamin C from hibiscus tea, it really adds to the brightening and radiance benefits of the skin. And by adding caffeine from green tea, I added 5% of that into the formula, you're gonna be feeling that the skin feels lifted and more firm. As an extra benefit, this formula also is deeply nourishing and hydrating with the niacinamide, which helps to strengthen the skin barrier, which is something you definitely need in your under eye area. Everybody's under eye skin is actually of different thicknesses. However, the skin under your eye is the most delicate and thin area of your face. And what that means is that it shows signs of aging faster. And we're using it to express our emotions all the time, which is why you want to add a clean, natural formula of an eye cream into your routine. It's very important that you guys know I made it without artificial ingredients that your skin does not need, especially since this product is going under your eyes and a lot of people can get irritated. So this is actually perfect for all skin types. This formula is also vegan and certified Leaping Bunny cruelty-free, and it's made here, like all the rest of our skincare, in Florida in small batches specifically for you guys at home, so you know that every single one is packed with love. You can use it in your morning and in your nighttime routine, and I suggest using it every single day for best results. Your skin feels firmer. Thank you, green tea caffeine. I made sure that this formula was fragrance-free for you and for me.